In today's fast-paced business world, having a virtual assistant can be a game changer. A virtual assistant can help you with various tasks, allowing you to focus on more important aspects of your business. But how do you go about hiring the right one? This video will guide you through the process of finding and hiring a virtual assistant that fits your business needs perfectly. Here are the key takeaways in this video. Number 1. Understand what a virtual assistant does and the different types available. Number 2. Identify the tasks you need help with and the skills required. Number 3. Use popular platforms and referrals to find qualified candidates. Number 4. Evaluate candidates by reviewing their resumes, portfolios, and references. And number 5. Create a strong onboarding plan and set clear communication protocols. So first is understanding the role of a virtual assistant. So, what are the key responsibilities of a virtual assistant? Virtual assistants, VAs, handle a variety of tasks to help businesses run smoothly. Their main job is to take on tasks that free up time for business owners. This can include managing emails, scheduling appointments, and handling customer service. Some VAs also help with social media, bookkeeping, and research. So, what are the types of virtual assistants available? There are different types of virtual assistants, VAs, each with their own skills. Here are a few common ones. Number 1. Administrative VAs. Focus on tasks like email management, scheduling, and data entry. Number 2. Social media VAs. Handle social media accounts, create posts, and engage with followers. Number 3. Technical VAs. Assist with website maintenance, tech support, and software management. And number 4. Creative VAs. Help with graphic design, content creation, and video editing. So, what are the skills to look for in a virtual assistant? When hiring a virtual assistant, VA, it's important to look for certain skills. Good communication is key, as they need to understand and follow your instructions. Time management is also crucial, as they often juggle multiple tasks. Other important skills include: Number 1. Attention to detail. Ensures tasks are done correctly. Number 2. Problem solving. Helps them handle unexpected issues. And number 3. Tech savvy. Comfortable using various software and tools. A good virtual assistant, VA, can make a big difference in how smoothly your business runs. They take on tasks that you might not have time for, allowing you to focus on more important things. Next is identifying your business needs. First is assessing tasks to delegate. First, we need to figure out which tasks we can hand over to a virtual assistant. This means looking at our daily work and spotting jobs that take up too much time or are not our strong points. By doing this, we can focus on what we do best and let the assistant handle the rest. Second, determining required skill sets. Next, we should think about the skills our virtual assistant needs. Do we need someone good at writing, or maybe someone who can handle customer service? Knowing the exact skills we need helps us find the right person for the job. And lastly, setting clear objectives and expectations. Finally, we must set clear goals and expectations. This means telling our virtual assistant what we want them to do and how we want it done. When we set clear rules, it makes it easier for everyone to do their best work. Taking the time to understand our business needs helps us find the perfect virtual assistant and makes our work life much easier. Next is where to find qualified virtual assistants. First is popular platforms for hiring virtual assistants. There are several online platforms where we can find skilled virtual assistants. Upwork and Fiverr are two of the most popular ones. These platforms allow us to post job listings and review applications from freelancers all over the world. We can also use LinkedIn to search for virtual assistants by using specific keywords and filters. Second, networking and referrals. Sometimes, the best way to find a reliable virtual assistant is through networking. We can ask our business contacts if they know anyone who might be a good fit. Referrals from trusted sources often lead to finding high-quality candidates. We can also join online business groups and forums to connect with potential virtual assistants. And lastly, evaluating freelance marketplaces. Freelance marketplaces like Freelancer and Guru offer a wide range of virtual assistants with different skill sets. We can browse through profiles, read reviews, and compare rates to find the best match for our needs. It's important to take the time to evaluate each candidate's experience and expertise before making a decision. Finding the right virtual assistant can make a big difference in our business efficiency and growth. Taking the time to explore different platforms and ask for referrals can help us find the perfect match. Next is evaluating potential candidates. First is reviewing resumes and portfolios. When we start evaluating potential candidates, the first step is to review their resumes and portfolios. We need to define our requirements clearly to ensure we are looking for the right skills and experience. Look for relevant experience and specific skills that match our needs. Screening questions can help us narrow down the list of applicants. Second, conducting effective interviews. Interviews are crucial in understanding the candidate's communication skills and technical abilities. We should prepare a set of questions that cover both technical and soft skills. It's important to evaluate how well they can explain their past work and how they handle challenges. This step helps us see if they are a good fit for our team. And lastly, checking references and testimonials. Before making a final decision, we should check the candidate's references and testimonials. This gives us insight into their past performance and reliability. We can ask previous employers about their work ethic, punctuality, and ability to meet deadlines. This step ensures we are hiring someone who is not only skilled, but also trustworthy. By following these steps, we can effectively weed out applicants who do not meet our standards and find the best virtual assistant for our business needs. Next is onboarding and training. Your virtual assistant first is creating a comprehensive onboarding plan. To start, we need a solid onboarding plan. This plan should cover everything from the virtual assistant's role to the tools they'll use. A clear plan helps them understand their tasks and our expectations. We can break this down into steps. Number 1, introduce them to the team. Number 2, explain their main tasks and responsibilities. Number 3, provide access to necessary tools and software. And number 4, set up initial meetings to discuss goals. Second, providing necessary tools and resources. Next, we must ensure our virtual assistant has all the tools they need. This includes software, login details, and any other resources. Having the right tools from the start makes their job easier and more efficient. Here's a quick checklist. Number 1, email account. Number 2, project management software. Number 3, communication tools like Slack or Zoom. And number 4, access to important documents and files. And lastly, establishing communication and reporting protocols. Good communication is key to a successful working relationship. We should set up clear protocols for how and when to communicate. This includes regular check-ins and updates. Regular communication helps us stay on the same page and address any issues quickly. Number 1, daily or weekly check-ins. Number 2, preferred communication channels, email, chat, video calls. And number 4, reporting formats and frequency. A well-structured onboarding and training process sets the foundation for a productive and positive working relationship with our virtual assistant. Next is managing and retaining your virtual assistant. First is setting performance metrics and goals. To ensure our virtual assistant is on the right track, we need to set clear performance metrics and goals. This helps us measure their progress and see if they are meeting our expectations. Clear goals make it easier for everyone to stay focused and motivated. We can use tools like spreadsheets or project management software to track these metrics. Second, offering feedback and support. Regular feedback is key to helping our virtual assistant improve and grow. We should schedule weekly or bi-weekly check-ins to discuss their performance and any challenges they might be facing. It's important to offer constructive criticism and also recognize their achievements. Supportive feedback can boost their confidence and productivity. And lastly, ensuring long-term engagement and satisfaction. To keep our virtual assistant engaged and satisfied, we need to create a positive work environment. This includes offering competitive pay, opportunities for professional development, and recognizing their hard work. We should also encourage open communication and be open to their suggestions. A happy virtual assistant is more likely to stay with us for the long term. Keeping our virtual assistant motivated and satisfied is crucial for long-term success. By setting clear goals, offering regular feedback, and creating a positive work environment, we can ensure they remain a valuable part of our team. Keeping your virtual assistant happy and productive is key to your business success. Learn how to manage and retain your virtual assistant effectively by visiting our website. We offer tips and strategies that are easy to follow and implement. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Hiring a virtual assistant online can be a game changer for your business. It allows you to focus on what you do best, while someone else handles the tasks that can be done remotely. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can find the right virtual assistant who fits your needs and helps your business grow. Remember, clear communication and setting expectations are key to a successful working relationship. Take your time to choose wisely, and you'll see the benefits in no time. Frequently asked questions. Number 1, what is a virtual assistant and what do they do? A virtual assistant is someone who works remotely to help you with tasks like managing emails, scheduling, and other administrative work. Number 2. How do I know what tasks to delegate to a virtual assistant? Make a list of tasks that take up a lot of your time but are not core to your business. These are good tasks to delegate. Number 3. Where can I find virtual assistants to hire? You can find virtual assistants on online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. You can also ask for referrals from your network. Number 4. What skills should I look for in a virtual assistant? Look for skills like good communication, time management, and proficiency with office software. The specific skills will depend on the tasks you need help with. 5. How should I interview a potential virtual assistant? Ask about their previous experience, how they handle deadlines, and give them a small task to complete as a test. Number 6. How can I keep my virtual assistant motivated? Set clear goals, give regular feedback, and make sure they feel like part of the team. Offering incentives can also help. In the description below, you will find a link to our favorite job board, Online Jobs. Hope this has been helpful. See you in the next video.